Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making reliable crumbs. Tear 1 cup stale bread into pieces, then pulse to a consistent 0.52 mm texture. Once done, spread on a baking sheet and toast briefly at 180 degrees C to remove moisture. This prevents soggy coatings. Make sure to season lightly with salt, pepper, and herbs so the crumbs carry flavor. Measure roughly 1/2 cup per standard portion. You're now ready to use these crumbs for binding, breading, or topping, so move straight to coating techniques. You'll use the dry wet dry method. Lightly flour the item, dip in beaten egg, then press into crumbs. Once coated, allow the crust to set for 5 minutes. This helps adhesion. For extra crunch, repeat the egg and crumb step. Double coating creates a thicker, more stable crust. When cooking, choose baking at 200 degrees C for even crisping, or shallow/deep fry at 175 degrees C for fast color. Make sure to monitor internal temperature and flip once for uniform browning. You finish by resting breaded items for 3–5 minutes so the crust bonds and juices redistribute. Once cooled, transfer leftovers to a wire rack to avoid steam buildup. Store extra crumbs in an airtight jar at room temp or freeze for months. If results are soggy, retoast in a hot oven at 190 degrees C for 5–8 minutes or crisp briefly in a dry skillet. This is the key troubleshooting step. Make sure to check texture before serving and adjust heat next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.